wanted to get it up fairly quick because it is raining. I mean, you can't really see it, but it is raining. And yes, at a push, I could snuggle in underneath one of those rain tarps. 2 gives me nearly complete coverage, without messing about too much. No tent pegs. I've also not bothered bringing the old hammock that I had attached to the bottom, just trying to keep the weight down, because I brought the tarp, the polyplastic instead. I mean, yeah, it's a bit of a kerfuffle, but yeah, that gives me all the rain coverage I need. Trees will do a pretty good job protecting me. Thank you, please help me. Don't keep trying to kill me. Keep falling over twigs and stuff. But yeah, I got that guy rope's tied to that log. None of it is tied tight enough to actually damage the trees. That's elasticated. All the rest of it is looped, so it's not actually doing a complete circuit tight around the tree. So yeah, it may all blow away as soon as I get in and strip naked. I always strip naked. I have to. Kind of freaks people out when you're in prison, but still. So wind is definitely picking up. The way I've got it tied on here is I've wrapped the plastic around the cord and then folded it over and then just tied a little slip knot. That way it's working exactly the same principle as the hammock itself, because the hammock is actually a rectangle, but they gathered one end in to a pinch and then put a hook in it. That's all they've done with the hammock. It's actually a rectangle. It's the same I'm doing here. I just gathered it all into a pinch, so it's to distribute the strain. Same there. Wrap around a tree, guy rope for the rain tarp. The log is just holding it down. That's all it's doing. It's just to give it a bit of boing. So that way, if it does bounce around, it's got a bit like a suspension with a log. Mushrooms, not eating those mushrooms. So it's designed to break away, really. If it does get too horrendous, I'd rather the plastic rip off and the rain tarp rip off than, okay, the rain tarp's not going to go anywhere because it's hooked onto the actual hook. But I'd rather the plastic rip off and get blown down the hill a little bit. It's not going to go far in these woods, rather than compromise the integrity of the hammock. Oh, picking legs. And the cord that the tarp and the plastic is hooked onto is going along here, over that, and around those two. That one's dead. That one's alive. That's just keeping it upright. Same thing. Little easy to undo, just pull it, it comes undone. Just don't tell the squirrels, bastards. Of course, I've now got the take the backpack and my radio and go over there, all the way over there, because I'd rather hop over the electric fence and use that wall as a shelf to cook, basically. I'd rather do that than sit here and constantly worried I'm going to roll down the friggin' hill or set fire to all the leaves. So yeah, that's right. Fucking sick. That log is just literally there just to give it a bit of ballast. If it gets too windy, I can do the same again. Just put a branch, flip it over, put it in there. And yeah, because it's polyplastic, it's thick enough, the rain won't go through. And all I'm doing is just giving me that central place to protect me from the rain. It's not going to run down these straps or these cords because it's going to hit the plastic and drip down. Hit these and drip down. Freaking nothing already. Get out. So yeah, that's my little setup. Time for noodles and some spirits. I've not had anything to drink. I've had one glug of water, and that's all I've had to drink since I left the house. So I'm very dehydrated. I'm just glad I brought a spare t-shirt. I figured I'd rather bring a spare t-shirt so I can actually let one dry whilst I'm wearing the other one. I never perspired until I hit 45. After 45, fucking pissing wet. But up to there, I never sweated. Anyway, yeah. So rather than bringing a spare jumper, I bought a spare t-shirt. Okay, food.